Okay, hi there. Uh, how to cook uh, a very basic, simple, but beautiful, healthy, good food. I've been in Cambodia for the past 2 months, maybe a little more, and I'm still afraid of eating street food. I'm doing all my cooking here in my room. I don't call it an apartment because it's a smaller than an studio. This is how, as an American retiree, the government send all of our money to Ezra shit. So there's nothing left for us. Anyway, I live in a very tiny, uh, tight budget, so this is what I am cooking. Let me show you.